click-to-messenger ads are a type of Facebook ad that appears to users when they're browsing Facebook. If the call to action is clicked on, then the user will be taken to Messenger, where they'll start a conversation with your bot. Combined with Octane AI, it's really easy to get a high return on your ad spend. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Facebook ads can be accessed through the left nav bar. If this is your first time using Facebook ads with Octane AI, you'll have to connect your ads account first. Great! Now, we can make an ad within Octane AI. Let's take a look at the Click to Messenger edit screen. I'll jump to a form that's already been filled out so that I can show you what each part does. Let's start with the message. This is a conversation users will interact with when they click on your ad. You can program different replies, add in other Octane AI features like convos, and create an experience that really lets your brand's personality show through. Most importantly, don't forget a link to your website. Next, this is the part of the ad that appears to users when they're browsing. Along with an eye-catching image, I've added a post and link text that are relevant to my ad's contents. Let's take a look at campaign details next. The first thing we want to do is set your campaign objective to conversions, since our goal here is sales. My Facebook pixel is selected here, and I've left purchases as the conversion event so that I can make sure that the ad is tracking the right thing. If you have a previous campaign that you've set up, that can be selected from a drop-down menu. You can also create a brand new one, which I'll do here. Same for the ad set. Finally, let's take a look at budgeting. Facebook ads work on an auction system, which means you'll compete with other advertisers to show your ad to a user. The maximum bid is the most you'll be willing to pay per click on your ad. This is optional unless you turn on accelerated delivery, in which case you do have to set a maximum. Your daily budget is how much you'll be willing to spend per day on your ad. This is only the ceiling of your spending. It doesn't mean you'll be spending this every single day. Finally, I selected an audience I created within a previous ad set in Facebook Ads Manager. You can preview a non-live version of your ad here, or you can click Create, which will send the ad into Facebook Ads Manager. The ad won't be live just yet. You can go to Facebook Ads Manager, finalize any details, and publish the ad. I'll also show you how you can make a custom Facebook audience. Within Ads Manager, locate your ad set. You may already have an audience made, but if you don't, you can create a new one here. By selecting the website option, you'll have a lot of ways you can use your pixel to target specific customers. For example, here, I have recent visitors to my website who didn't initiate checkout. Retargeting customers this way can be very effective. We also recommend trying a lookalike audience, which means Facebook will show your ad to users that fit in your customer's demographic. I hope you're ready to take your store to the next level.